What if you could look at a single candle on a chart and know with high probability whether the market is about to go up or down? Not guessing, not hoping, not praying. Actually reading the market like a professional. That's exactly what candlestick pattern analysis gives you when you use it the right way. Today I'm giving you the complete advanced system. Not just the patterns, but the entries, the exits, the stop losses, the confluence factors, and the risk management rules. This is the video I wish I had when I started trading. Let's get into it. Introduction. Before we start, one important reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research before risking real money. Now, since most trading videos show you what candlestick patterns look like, today we go further. We cover what they mean, why they form, how to confirm them, how to enter trades based on them, where to place stop losses, and how to manage risk. This is the complete system. Part 1. Understanding candlesticks. Every candlestick tells a story about the battle between buyers and sellers during a specific time period. The body shows the difference between the open and close. The wicks, or shadows, show the highest and lowest price reached. A green candle means price closed higher. Buyers won. A red candle means price closed lower. Sellers won. But size and length matter. A large green body with tiny wicks means buyers dominated. A small body with long wicks signals indecision. Understanding this is the foundation. Part 2. Top 5 bullish patterns. Bullish pattern 1. The hammer. Small body at the top, long lower wick at least twice the length. What it means, price fell sharply, but buyers stepped in aggressively, valid only at the bottom of a downtrend or key support. Wait for the next candle to close bullish for confirmation. Enter at the open of the next candle. Stop loss below the wick. Take profit at the nearest resistance. Confluence factors like RSI below 30 or a 200-day moving average strengthen the signal. Bullish pattern 2. The bullish engulfing. 2 candle pattern. First is red, second is green and completely engulfs the first. Bullish pattern 3. The morning star. A large red candle, a small star of indecision, and a large green candle closing halfway up. Bullish pattern 4. The piercing line. Candle 2 opens below the low of candle 1 but closes above its midpoint, trapping bears. Bullish pattern 5. The 3 white soldiers. 3 consecutive large green candles showing pure, sustained buying pressure. Part 3. Top 5 bearish patterns. Bearish pattern 1. The shooting star. Small body at bottom, long upper wick. Top of uptrend. Bearish pattern 2. The bearish engulfing. First candle is green, second is red and engulfs it. A powerful shift in momentum. Bearish pattern 3. The evening star. Large green candle. Indecision star, followed by a large red candle. It signals the end. Bearish pattern 4. The dark cloud cover. Candle 2 opens above the high of candle 1 but closes below its midpoint. Bulls are trapped. Bearish pattern 5. The 3 black crows. 3 consecutive large red bearish candles closing near their lows. Pure selling pressure. Part 4. The complete advanced trading system. Step 1. Identify the trend. Step 2. Identify key levels on the daily chart. Step 3. Wait for a pattern. Step 4. Check for 2 confluence factors. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Step 6. Enter at the next open. Step 7. Set stop loss. Step 8. Set profit targets. Position sizing rule. Risk exactly 1% of your total account. No exceptions. Part 5. Risk management rules. Rule 1. 3% daily loss limit. Rule 2. 5% weekly loss limit. Rule 3. Never average down. Rule 4. Journal every trade. Rule 5. Trade the higher time frame first. These rules protect your capital while you learn. Candlestick patterns are not magic, but combined with trend and risk management, they are a powerful edge. Practice on historical charts. Build your edge before risking real money. Subscribe to Trade with Pradeep for more education. Which pattern do you find most reliable? Drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!